Hi everyone, I wanted to make another video and review with you how to find your most current grade. I know that we've discussed on several occasions where to find your grades, but I want to make sure that everyone clearly understands how to find an updated account of your overall course average. So the first thing you need to do is log into MyLabs Plus. As we've discussed several times, all of your grades are in MyLabs Plus. No grading takes place in Moodle. Once you log into MyLabs Plus, you will then select Gradebook. From the left side of the screen, you will find the word Gradebook. Click Gradebook. Once you click Gradebook, you will see a circle. This circle that I am noting on the screen now shows your overall course average. If you are interested in finding your homework percentage, there is a tab here for homework and a bar that denotes your overall homework average. There's another bar that denotes your overall quiz average, your overall test average, and your overall average for labs. Again, this circular diagram here represents your overall course average. Currently in this class, my grade is a 0%, which is why nothing is colored in the circular graph. If you would like to look at your grades per assignment category, you can select all assignments here. Then you can scroll down and change to a specific assignment, whether you want to look at just homework grades. This icon here says you're looking at only your grades for the past month. If you click, you can look at your grades from the past 2 weeks, or you can look at your grades for the entire course to date. If you're interested in your overall average, I would recommend looking at your grades from the entire course to date. And again, your overall percentages here depicted by this circular diagram. If you have any questions, please feel free to call, email, or come by and see me. If I am in class, you'll see my class schedule posted outside of my office door. Or you can feel free to ask me when we see each other face to face during our regularly scheduled class meeting. Thanks. I hope you all have a great rest of the day.